Hello, good morning, guys. I just want to review some of the trade setups we have during the week, so that you guys will see how how our trades did. Um, the other thing I just want to say here is that I want us to just pick a few assets, in a week. Okay, maybe one or two assets in a week. Okay, and just trade them with higher lot sizes and and increase the volume, increase the volume of trades that we placed on those assets. I don't know if you understand what I mean. We can enter multiple positions on each of the trades if we see a very good setup, okay, in the market. So that's just what I mean. Then let me just remove these indicators so that we can have a proper view of these charts. All right, guys. Yes, this is the the NZD card, daily chart yesterday that one of my students brought up. I just thought I should analyze this market. Okay, and if you see what the market was doing these days, I trade from daily time frames. They are more stable, and if you're a busy person, it's just better for you to trade off stable time frames like the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frames. Okay, now let's look at this New Zealand card. This is a very good trending asset. If you look at it historically, you see what the market is doing. You just see it's a trending asset. If you take a very good position, you'll be able to catch some awesome pips from this market because of its trending market structure. Okay, so when we go back to the analysis we did here, you see that this market was actually on a downtrend, for let me see for how long, since February. Oh yeah, since February 2021. Okay, and shortly after that, sometime here at this point. Sorry, hold on. I think my computer is hanging. Just hold on a minute. Okay, yeah, sometime here, here, this particular place, that's somewhere in March 2021. Okay, the market changed bias. Okay, the market changed bias and started uptrending. Okay, so, and of course went into some structures that we could actually see, these channel structures that often repeat themselves in the market. Okay, so if you know how to chart properly, you just look out for this chart patterns, channels rising, falling channels and rising channels, and you trade along those structure parts. One thing you should also realize is that market repeats itself. What the psychology of traders is repetitive. Okay, so what that means is that if you see traders buying at some points, at some other point you see them selling. Okay, so the market continues in that movement. And so if you know how to chart properly and how to how to do your technical analysis properly, you'll be able to catch very good market setups when you open the market. So let me just show something here very, very briefly. Okay, yeah, if you look at this chart here, you see that this market is actually has actually entered into a mini range. Okay, mini range in this channel, in this rising channel structure. Okay, it has entered a mini range. Let me just show something very quickly. All right, so it has entered the mini range. Okay, so this is for me like a bull flag. Okay, because the market was actually going up. Okay, and entered into this consolidation. So it's a bull flag. And what do I expect to happen within this structure? I expect price to push up to the upside. Okay, all right, so you just have to understand that is the characteristics of chart patterns. That is the psychology of traders in the market. Human beings will always repeat their patterns, their lifestyles. Okay, so because human beings will always repeat their lifestyle and their pattern and their consumption pattern in the market, or trading pattern or expenditure pattern or buying and selling pattern, as it were, you will always see consistent structure. Okay, at some point they will break. Okay, so when they break, they will show you some signals, and you will have to just you just have to apply your proper trading skills, okay, so that you'll be able to identify markets at the point of their exhaustion. Okay, at the point of their exhaustion. So what I'm seeing here in the market is that this market will push up. Okay, there's a breakout of this upper channel, of the structure. Okay, the upper line of the channel, okay, of this mini channel inside this bigger channel. I expect to see a breakout, which has happened. I also want a retest of this resistance, that is turned support for price action here. Okay, so when I see the retest, okay, then we can begin to look out for the opportunities. And of course, you need your indicators, guys. I've sent you out some of those indicators that I use in my trading analysis, so you guys should be handy with those indicators. They are very good. Okay, this indicator, you can change, like I told you can change the name. One of my mentors, as it were, sent me this indicator. Okay, so when you see the green cross the red, okay, to the upside, when you see the green cross the red to the upside, that's a bullish signal. Okay, that's a bullish signal, and that's what we're getting here. This green line has crossed the red line, and see the red line is the sorry, just give me 1 minute, my system is hanging. The red line is the TDI signal trade line, okay, trade signal line. Okay, while the green line is the RSI price line. Okay, so now when the RSI price line crosses the TDI signal line, from down to the upside, okay, you see a bullish signal. It's a bullish signal for you. Okay, now see here. Okay, you can see this. Okay, you can see all these crosses. Again, if all these lines are above this, signal line. Okay, let me show you something. This other yellow one is the other yellow one is the what? Hold on a minute, let me show us. Okay, is the market baseline. Okay, is the market baseline. When you point your cursor on it to tell you what the indicator, the various components of the indicator are. Okay, now so I expect this market to push up to the upside. Okay, so now when we see a potential trade setups like this, guys, look at the strategy. When we see a potential trade setup like this, we enter multiple positions. Okay, and monitor that market. When we enter multiple positions and we get very good money from the market, we'll just close all our positions, okay, and come out for that day and look for another opportunity elsewhere. It could possibly be in the same market, okay, but instead of opening multiple positions like this, okay, you can see these trades have started going gaga. Okay, instead of opening multiple positions like this, all right, you just open a couple of positions. Okay, you open a position, okay, and be sure that it will give you very good trade setup, okay, or very good trade opportunity. Okay, then you enter multiple positions. Okay, you enter multiple positions. When you catch your pips for the day, maybe you make $40, $50, $100. You close all your position and you are done for that day. Okay, and you are done for that day. Okay, you might trade twice or 3 times a week. That is okay. All right, you start from Tuesday and end on Thursday. Okay, all right, so that is it. And you can see, let's go and look at all the various positions that we've opened in the market here again, so that we can review them and know how we can follow up with the market. Okay, we can review them. All right, so let me just close this indicator. All right, so this New Zealand card, we've looked at this market and we've determined what we're looking at for in this market. So we're looking at for buy opportunity. This US shelf, okay, this US shelf, what have we done here? We short this market. Okay, we short this market. So I will expect market, we short it. The market went far away from our position. Okay, so we're looking for a sell opportunity, to continue in this market, so that we can fall back to profit in this market. Okay, so we're going to continue to follow it. Okay, all right. So look at this other market here. We took a buy. Okay, we took a buy somewhere here. We took a buy somewhere here, and market has fallen back, okay, into another structure position here. Okay, so yes, okay, yeah, we expected it to push up to this upper channel. Okay, this resistance, of this channel, but rather it came back to test the base or the support of the channel, and again our indicator has shown us that it has met a support structure level. Okay, so if you look at if you look at my trade setup, you see that I said it could possibly come down to this point and push up again, break here, retest this bigger channel, and go to the upside. So we should still remain in this market. This is a bull flag. Okay, this is a bull flag structure, so I expect this market to break to the upside into this bigger rising channel. Okay, so that's my review of this market. So we're still in it. All right, so what did we do here? We took a sell here, we took a sell here. Okay, we took a sell here, and we expect the market to continue to push down to this level, to the support or support structure of this channel. Okay, so we still expect market to push down to this level. Okay, we expect market to push down to this level, and that's why we're in this market, and that's our take profit point. Okay, that's our take profit point here. All right, so we'll remain in this trade and see what would happen, even though this indicator is showing us slightly bullish signal, but we want to look at what price is doing. We're not trading indicator here. Let's look at what this could be lagging, but what actually is happening on these candlesticks, is what we're looking at for. Okay, so of course you can see there are some other mini structures that this market is forming here, so we don't ignore it as well. Okay, we don't ignore it. Let me show something. Okay, this is a pennant. Okay, this looks like a bear pennant, because market was actually coming down and formed the structure, so it could break to the downside to continue its downward journey. Okay, so that's our expectation in this market. That's our expectation in this market, guys. So we'll continue to follow up with it. Okay, yeah, gold. What did we do with gold? Did we trade it? No, we didn't trade gold. We expected the market to continue to fall down to this structure level, but it's still ranging here. The market is still ranging. It didn't really move. Gold did not really move, if you ask me, because it has been here in the last couple of days and has not really pushed down, the way we expected it. So that's our position on gold. Okay, Euro AUD. What is happening here? Yes, we said we expected the market to push down here. Okay, but we didn't take this market. We didn't take this trade. Okay, we did not take this trade. So the market broke down, and did we take this trade? So let's look for shorting opportunity. Yes, indeed. I think we took this trade. We took some profits before the market reversed. Okay, and we expect it to push further down. Okay, to push further down into the structure levels. Okay. All right, so that's what we're expecting this market. USD card. Well, we haven't taken this trade. We're looking for an opportunity to short this market, but the market has continued into the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so let's see what will happen in the coming days, guys. Let's see what will happen in the coming days. Let's see what will happen in the coming days. Let us extend this structure. Let's see what will happen in the coming days. Let's extend the structure. Perhaps price will find resistance, okay, at Fibonacci 61.8 here and push down. Okay, I still expect this market to push down to the downs, to push down, okay, to break down, up to this level. Perhaps this is structural level, okay, but nothing has happened here. We're on daily chart. We'll continue to monitor this market. Pound card, yes, we got some pips out of this market, guys. We kill this market, okay. We use the Ichimoku cloud strategy, to trade this market. And what did we get? We get market pushing to the upside. So we got that well. I think we're still in that trade. Or have we taken profit? I think we've taken profit out of this market. Okay, we've taken profit out of this market. We will not re-enter until next week. Today is Friday. It's not a good day to trade. Okay, so what's happening here? Inverse head and shoulder. That should be bullish reversal. That's what we said. Okay, so what is happening? Market has found structure at Fibonacci 61.8. So we expect it to push up from this structure level, guys. Push up from this structure level. Push up from this structure level. That's what we expect price to do here, guys. That's what we expect price to do here. Okay, so that's our expectation. Okay, but at the moment this market is shorting. Okay, so we will not enter yet until we see what to come out of this market here. What is happening here? What is happening here, guys? We expect okay, the market got short here and found a structure here. Will it break to the downside? That's what we expect. We expect it to break into the structure level again. We expect it to break into the structure level, guys. So that will be our expectation. That is what we shall be looking at for price breaking into that structure level, guys. Okay, so we'll monitor this market and see what it will do in the coming days. Okay, we'll monitor this market as well. Okay, so USD card, what is it doing? We're expecting this market to push down to this level, okay, because we did know it was going to test here and go back and come down, and that's exactly what it did here. So we will be waiting and looking for an opportunity to short the market to the downside, which has not happened yet. So we're still following up this market. We hope it will happen in the coming days. Okay, next week we should look for towards seeing this market pushing into this level. Then when we get that clear signal, we can shut it down. Okay, we can shut the market down. All right, so we can take rather a short position then. Pound USD, what happened here? Yes, we're in this market. The market has pulled back into structure level. Never worry, worst case it will test this level again, just like I indicated here, and push it upside. So we will monitor this market and make sure we trade it into a bullish direction. Okay, so, and that's what this indicator is telling me here. So we're going to look out for that opportunity as well. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, Australian dollar USD daily chart. We expect market to push up to this level. Okay, we will not enter this market until we see a very clear signal. We will not enter this market until we see a very good signal in the coming week. Okay, but the expectation is that we want to buy this market. All right, we want to buy this market. So what is happening in the other markets? Let's see. Okay, what did we do here? A shorting opportunity here. I don't think we took this trade. It's not all trades that you take, but this market is trending. Pound AUD. Let me see. Pound AUD. Pound AUD. Pound AUD. Yes, it's one of the markets that we should be looking at. Let me write it down. Pound, Great British Pound AUD is one of the markets that we should look out for trading. You can see how this market ranges. You can see how it trends. You can see how this market trends. Huge trend in this market, guys. So this is the kind of market we want to be looking out for. Huge trending markets. Okay, you can see huge trending markets. These are the kind of markets we should be looking at trading in the coming week. Okay, all right. So here, what happened here? This market is also trending as well. Card chef, okay, is a trending market. So let's write it down. card chef. Okay, this is number 8 card. Okay, chef. Okay, so let's look at all this market. Look, since we can see good trending structure in this market, we should look out for trading them. Okay, I don't know what I planned for this market. I don't think I considered it for anything. All right, so here, guys, I think this market has gotten to structure level and is reversing. Okay, like I said it was going to come down, and that was exactly what it did. I don't know why we didn't take this trade. Okay, if we did, okay, we say look for selling opportunity here. We didn't take this trade. It was a good trade. If we have taken it, we would have made some awesome pips here, guys. Would have made some awesome pips. Okay, so right now where the market has gotten to another structure level that we should now begin to look for a buy opportunity. Okay, we should now begin to look for a buy opportunity, guys. So that's what will happen in the coming week. We'll look for a buy opportunity in this market. Okay, and perhaps enter multiple positions. Okay, so Euro AUD, what's this market doing at structure levels? Okay, so we expect it to push up again, push up from this level into structure there. Okay, push up to this level. So we'll be looking out for a buy opportunity here, guys. We're looking out for buy opportunity. Okay, looking out for buy opportunity. Right, looking out for buy opportunity in this market in the coming week. Okay, so guys, let's watch out for this market. Let's monitor this market. Okay, you can see this is head and shoulder pattern, and it played out very, very well, guys. See, I tell us chart patterns really work. Okay, if you know how to identify chart patterns, guys, that is your bread and butter. Okay, that is your bread and butter. Okay, look at this chart pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, it really played out in this market. Okay, so you look out for chart patterns. Look out for chart patterns, guys. These things work. Look out for chart pattern. Okay, look out for chart pattern. All right, look at how this market played out this chart pattern. Okay, and respected it down. Boom. All right, so that's the opportunity we missed in this market. Okay, but the market will always come back. Okay, the market will always come back. So guys, don't worry if you miss this opportunity. Wait for another trading opportunity, guys. Okay, so this is pound card. We didn't trade this market, did we? I don't think, even if maybe we did. Okay, so we should be looking for, we have to reanalyze this market because it has really gone out of space. We need to reanalyze our market. Okay, so I think we're doing well here. Okay, we're looking for shorting opportunity. We said buy here, we looked for buy opportunity from here up to this level, and we're shorting it here down. Okay, so I think we would wait for the market to play down to this level, to this structure level. Okay, wait for it to play down to this structure level, then we look for other trading opportunities here, guys. Okay, look for other trading opportunity here. Okay, okay, so that's all about pound JPY, pound New Zealand, guys. Okay, this market has retraced. Okay, this market has retraced, but essentially it's a bearish market. Okay, it has retraced. So just like we predicted, it could still come down to this level. We short this market. Okay, where in this market is a sell, so we expect it to still break structure here. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I took my take profit down. Okay, I take my take profit to this level. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Let's put our take profit here. It's not bad. Okay, it's not bad. All right, so we expect this market to break structure here and get down to this point. Okay, that's what we're expecting. That is what we are expecting. Okay. All right, so New Zealand card, what we expected. Okay, yeah, this trade is going down well with us. It is going down well with us. Okay, this trade is going down well with us, so we'll just monitor it and see what it will do in the coming week. Okay, we'll see what it will do in the coming week, guys. Okay, see what it will do in the coming week. Okay, let's arrange this properly here. Okay, so there's a breakout here, so we expect market to break up to this structure level, guys. Okay, up to the structure level, guys. Okay, we have beautiful setups here, guys. So when you follow them up, we can choose the ones that have high probability setup. We will now trade them. What are we looking for here? Market has broken seriously out of structure here. Okay, even though it's a bear market. Okay, so we still expect it to push down. We still expect it to push down, guys. We still expect price to push down. So we'll still be looking for opportunities in this market. Expecting price to push down. Okay. Okay. See if pushing back into the structure level is a possibility. We'll look at it when the time comes. Okay. Alright, so this market has continued to push down, even though we took a buy position here, which doesn't look a good one, but you can see the market is retracing into Fibonacci, key levels. Okay, so we expect it to do what? To reverse from any of these key levels, guys. Any of these key levels into structure area. Okay, into structure area. We're in this trade already, so let's see what to do. I think we followed the prevailing market structure to take that decision. Alright, so what else? We're going to look at all the trades that we set up. All the trades that we set up. Alright, so this has fallen into structure, so we expect it to push back up from here. Expect it to push back up this manner. Okay, this is a falling wedge, guys. This is a falling wedge. Okay, in a rising market, so it's going to be a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, bullish continuation for price. Okay, so that's what we expected here. Okay, all right. I don't think we took this trade. We didn't take that card AUD. We took this trade. Market is pulling back close to our. It's pulling. All right. Pulling into our stop loss. Okay, if it happens, let's just let it go. All right, let's let it go. I don't know what we did here. I generally don't like trading these moving averages, but I just said let me try that system. Okay, we expect price to also push back into structure here. All right, what happened here? Okay, this is supposed to be a bull trade. Okay, look for buying opportunity. I think we caught this market really good. All right, I don't trade short time frames here. I don't know what's happening here. I don't trade short time frame. Let me close this. I don't trade it. Alright, so guys, that's all we have for the week with all this analysis. But like I told us, in the coming week, we are not going to be taking all these trades. When we identify a very good trade setup, okay, we will enter multiple positions. Alright guys, thank you very much. That's all we have for this week. Okay, in the coming week, we're going to review all our setup and take only one trade position, and take one trade with multiple positions. Alright guys, thank you very much and do have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.